I've got a few cosmos that have sprouted up. They've gone really leggy, but I'm sure they'll be fine once I've sorted them. I just got 6 come up out of the seeds that I had, but they were the original seeds. I don't think I saved any home safe seeds, so I'm going to put them in fairly deep, like so. Half a dozen, that's fine. They'll make a nice little clump somewhere and a good show, and great for the bees. This one's got the seeds still attached, but I'm hoping it'll sort itself out eventually. Of course, they make nice cut flowers as well. Had a whole bed of these last year, or was it the year before? I'll just sprinkle some water on these, and then I'm going to put them in the greenhouse on the side. I can find room for them. There we go. First lot done. It's okay, and the continuing effort to get rid of my old seeds, I'm just going to try and, I mean, I could sort of do germination trials, but I think it's just as easy to get them in and see how they do, and if they don't do anything, you haven't really lost much, as long as you've got the compost and the containers and the space. Now, I've got 3 packets of carrots. 2 of them are in date, one's out of date, all different types, so that doesn't matter. And I'm going to put them in this container. I used to use this for leeks, but it's way too big for the leeks that I need these days. So it's just like a fish box, polystyrene with holes all in the bottom, and I'm going to fill it with some sieve compost now, and put 1 inch of cocoa coir, sieved again, on the top of it, so it's virtually to the top of this, so you know, like ½ an inch from the top or something. And I'll be back when I've got the soil in. Okay, so I've got the container filled up with compost to about there, and then just 1 inch or so of cocoa coir, and I've got this as a bit of a template. Now these are too close together, which is fine. I don't mind smaller carrots if they come. If they don't come, well, what have I lost? Just use this as a bit of a template. Let's have a look, see what it looks like. This is going down about, it looks like about 3/4 of an inch, which is fine in cocoa coir. Doesn't have to be ½ inch or something like that. Anything between 1/4 of an inch and 1 inch, I think, would do it. Right, let's have a look. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I like that. So, thing to do is get it so it's aligned-ish, and carry on. That's it. I like that. Good pattern. So I can go away. I'll just sort the seeds out. Well, actually, what I'm going to do is take these 3 packets of seeds, top weight Autumn King and some Paris Market. I think these are both small stubby ones, and these are obviously the big ones. But I'll use them all. I'll mix them all together in my seed dispenser, and then I'll put 2 or 3 in each one. Okay, I'm stopping it there.